So the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will soon be out, and in this video we are going to talk about the launch date. We are going to talk about the camera. We are going to talk about the design. We are also going to talk about the performance. So I want you to stay to the end of this video so that you can see everything you need to do before you go and make that purchase of Samsung S24 Ultra, because you need to compare between S25 Ultra and S24 Ultra before you spend that your dollar. Okay, for the release date, of course, the rumors flying around now is that Samsung is going to release this new flagship in 2025. And just like previous years, they are going to release 3 models. For the design, rumors are saying that it's going to be a little bit fresher. It's going to be a little bit different from that of S24 Ultra. So in this S25, it's going to have rounded design compared to S24. It's going to have flat metallic frame similar to iPhone and the Google phones. Okay, it's going to, and of course, it's going to have the glossy finish as premium look and going to be compatible with Samsung One UI 7. So it's going to be very, very nice if you can wait to the launch date before you make that purchase. Then the second thing we hear about is the camera. It's going to have the 200 megapixel AI powered camera. It's going to be advanced compared to the S24 Ultra, and it's also going to have 12 megapixel ultra wide lens with dual telephoto lens with 3 times and 10 times optical zoom. It's going to be suitable for your professional, if you're a professional photographer or you're a casual photographer, you're just taking it for family event, this S25 is going to cover that for you. And for the next rumor we are going to talk about is the display. So the rumor we are getting is that this is going to be similar to S24 Ultra, but it's going to have 9.6 inches dynamic AMOLED display. So it's going to have an adaptive refresh rate, which is 120 hertz, curved design compared to that of S24 Ultra, which is a flat design. And the next rumor reaching us about the performance is that it's going to be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. It's going to have 16 GB RAM for high performance and multitasking, and the storage option is going to range from 256 GB RAM to 1 terabyte. See new AI features in S24 Ultra to enhance performance and multitasking. Of course, we are going to see improve in power management. So it's not a time that you charge your phone and before you know what is happening, your battery has run dry, and that is going to lead us to the last rumor that we are getting about the battery. Now, the battery is going to come with 5,000 milliamp powered battery capacity. Okay, this is similar to S24 Ultra, but there's an improved GPU efficiency and power management. So, and of course, the Snapdragon 8 Elite promise 44% better CPU power efficiency and 40% GPU efficiency. So in conclusion, this smartphone, especially the S25 Ultra, is going to be huge. If I were you, I will stay hooked to see what is going to offer in the market when Samsung eventually releases it in January 2025. Okay, see you in my next video where we'll talk about each specification in detail. We'll talk about the performance, the battery, and everything that you need to know. So before you go, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Please comment, and I will see you in my next video.